What's going on, guys? It's Mo here with Auto Addict. I hope you guys are having a good day. Happy holidays. We're super excited to go over our Gen 5 wide body on airbags that's rocking our Umbra Taillights. This is Pedro's Gen 5. He's up for a small minor modification, which we're gonna be replacing the front speakers on his front doors to get his sound system a little bit of a better appearance and a performance as well. Without further ado, let's show you guys the details and show you the final product when it's all done.